Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in Power Orange. So this is the Allure specification, which gives you 16-inch alloy wheels, reverse parking sensors and tinted rear windows. Inside you've got the 7-inch touchscreen that comes with DAB digital radio, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and full Bluetooth connectivity. You've got dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control. Let's have a look around. If this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.